Here's how to set the travel limits for your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener. First, you'll want to locate the adjustment button on the back of your operator's motor, and it's this one right here. And what we're going to do is press and hold that button. That's going to make the up button indicator light flash, and we're going to press and hold this button until it gets to our desired up position. So I'm going to press and hold. And then as it gets a little bit closer, you can stop it. You can just inch it up a little bit by just touching the button a little. Oh, I went up a little too much. I can go down, I can go down, until I get it to where I want it to go. So for me, I want it about right there. Now I'm gonna press the adjustment button again. It's gonna blink, showing that it's programmed for the up position. Then I'm gonna press and hold the down button to go down to my desired down position. And again, you can do the same thing on this, where if it went down a little too much, you can bring it back up, or you can push the down arrow button to make it go down a little bit more, like that. Right there's pretty good for my door. You can see that there's no light coming through the bottom. And another note on this is you want to make sure that your rail isn't bowing up too much here, because if it does, that puts a lot of pressure on the front mounts there that are on the wood and the door. And you don't want that. So once we have it programmed to our desired down position, we're going to go ahead and press the adjustment button again. It's going to blink, and now the up arrow is going to flash again. And when we press this, we're not going to hold it this time, we're just going to push it once. And what's going to happen is the opener is going to adjust the force limits of how hard it's going to pull the door up. So all you need to do is press it and let the opener do the work. So I press it. And now it's going to flash down, and now when I push this, it's going to adjust how hard it's going to push the door down. After the door goes down and the lights turn off, the travel and force limits are now programmed on your opener. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.